Hi students, welcome back to Nagesh Karajke Orchid School. Students, in our previous session, we have seen how to measure the line segment and how to draw the line segment of given measurement. Today, we are going to see the patterns. Now look at the board. Patterns. Now what is meant by pattern? You learned in the previous class that repeating shapes make a pattern. See, this word is very important in this pattern. What is meant by pattern? Repeating shapes make pattern. There is a repetition of shapes in a specific way. It is called as patterns. Patterns make things look beautiful. Because of pattern, the things can look beautiful. You can see patterns on cloth and tile patterns on the floor. You can also see patterns on animals and in the way leaves and flowers are arranged in a plant. Now here I will show you some patterns. One by one we will see. First, see this. It is there in the textbook also. See, this is a pattern. Why it is called as pattern? Because here we can see this is a square. You know this is a square. And square, here green color square is there. This is blue color. Again green color square is there. Then again blue, green. Means the shape square is repeated again and again. Yes. And color also, it is also repeated. If we will see now here, alternate colors are there. Green, blue, green, blue, green. Means there is a repetition of in shapes also and there is a repetition in color also. Okay, alternate colors. In alternate colors they have arranged the square. Now say this is green color, this is also a blue color square, again here green, blue. Then if we will see this middle part, it is a blank. See, this is also square, but blank squares are there. There is no any color. Okay. See this line also, this line and this line also. Means here three squares we can see. One is of green color, the other is with blue, and the third one is no color is there. Means it is blank only. So in this way they have arranged squares in such a way that we can make in a specific way, means we can make it pattern. Then see the another. There is a fish. See this fish. In the animals also we can see the pattern. Now see this fish. Here on the body of fish we can see two colors, yellow and black. See, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Means in this way, in a specific way, in a specific manner, the colors are repeated again and again. So it is called as pattern. Now if we will see the flowers, see this flower. If we will see the petals of flowers, there is also a pattern. Then if we will see the leaves, we can see the pattern in the leaves also. Then here I will show you some more patterns. Patterns can be made in different ways by using different shapes, colors or sizes, or by combining two or more of these. Now one by one we will see now. See this. This is also a pattern. If we will see this pattern, here we can see pattern by changing size and color. See here, all are triangles. Yes, all are triangles, but see the color of the triangle. This is orange, this is yellow, again orange triangle is there, then yellow, then orange. Means the colors are changing. Okay, and the colors are repeatedly alternate. Orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. also see the size of the triangle also. This is big, one big triangle, one small triangle, again big triangle, small triangle, again big triangle. So in this way we can make pattern by changing size and colors also. Okay, then the next pattern is, see this, by changing shapes and colors. Now here by changing shapes and colors, here different shapes are there, isn't it? See, this is a, yes, what is this? This is oval. Then this is, sorry, this is a circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square. Okay, now see here, what is the color of the circle? Yes, it is a yellow, then pink, and this is blue. Again yellow circle, pink triangle, blue square. Means here by changing shapes and colors we can see the different colors also, and here we can see the different shapes also, but they have arranged in a specific way. See, after circle triangle is there. Okay, here also after circle triangle is there. Then after triangle which shape is there? Yes, here square is there. Here also we will see after triangle square is there. So this is a pattern. Then we can make the pattern by increasing the number of objects. Now see here, here only one shape is there, isn't it? Here only one shape is there, and the color is also same of all the circles, but it is a pattern by changing the number of circles. Now here we can see only one circle is there, isn't it? Then here 2, then again 1, 2, 3, 3 circles are there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Means see here 1, 2 circles are there. Then here 3 circles, and here 4. Means by increasing the number of shapes also we can make pattern. Then see this, all are triangles only. If you will see carefully, all are triangles, and if you will see the color also same. But then how it is pattern? Yes, I will tell you. See, this is a triangle. By turning its shape also we can make triangle. See, this is triangle. If we will turn the triangle in this way, again if we will turn the triangle, then this triangle will come. Again if we will turn this triangle, this shape we will get, and again if we will turn the triangle, then we will get in this way. So this is also a pattern by turning the shape. Then we can form the pattern by using the numbers also. Okay, now see here, can you see? Number pattern. See here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In this sequence there is a pattern. It is called as number pattern. Then what is the pattern in this example? See, to get the next number, add 2. If we will add 2 in 1, then we will get the next number, that is 3. Then add 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Again if we will add 2 in 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Again add 2, 7 plus 2, 9. Then if we can continue the pattern by adding 2. So if we want to write the next number, we can add 2 in 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So to get the next number we have to add 2. Now see this number pattern, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. What is the pattern in this example? To get the next number, multiply by 2. See, if we will multiply 2 by 1, 1 into 2, 2. Again multiply by 2, 2 into 2, 4. Then 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. And if we want to the next number, then what we have to do? Again we should multiply by 2. 16 into 2, 32. So this is also a number pattern. In numbers also, with the numbers also we can form pattern. Now we will solve the exercise 4.6. So students, open your textbook and solve the exercise, next exercise along with me. Now see this first example. Draw the next two shapes in each pattern. Here in this exercise that given us pattern, and what we have to do? Draw the next two shapes in each pattern. We have to complete this pattern. See students, here I am going to draw only shapes. I am not going to color it. But in your textbook you have to color it also. Now see here. Here you can see everywhere which shape is there? Yes, here all are squares. But if we will see the colors are different. Here red color square is there. Here blue color square is there. Then green color is there. Again see red, blue, green. Here I will write R. R means what? Red. This is blue color. B means blue, and this is green. G means green. See R, B, G, red, blue, green. After green again red is there. Red, blue, green means red, blue, green, red, blue, green, then red. After red which shape is there or which color is there? Yes, blue color square is there. So here we will draw one square and you have to color it with blue color. So I will write here B. I am not going to color it, but you color in your textbook. Now RB, after blue color which color shape is there? Yes, green color square is there. So draw one square and color it with green. So in this way red color square, blue color, green, again red, blue, green, red, blue, green. In this way we can draw next two shape. Now see the next example. See this. If you will see the example second, in that example all the shapes are same in the sense all are triangles only. But if we will see the sizes of the triangles, the sizes are different. This is small, this is bigger than this triangle, and this is bigger than these two triangles. Means smallest smaller and this is bigger. Okay, so see this colors are same, but only here what they have changed the sizes of the triangle. Small, then a little bit medium we will see, we can say, and this is large. Again small triangle, medium size triangle and bigger size triangle. Then here small, then here which triangle will come? Yes, medium, and here big triangle will come. Okay, you have to draw this triangle little bit bigger than this triangle and color it with yellow color. Now see this third example. Here square, triangle, rectangle, circle. Four shapes are there, isn't it? And if we will see the color of the shapes, all the colors are different, isn't it? See what is this shape? It is a square, and what is the color? Blue. So I will write here blue color square. This is pink color triangle. This is a rectangle, little bit green, and this is circle with yellow color. Okay. Now see square, triangle, rectangle, circle. Again square, triangle, then what will come here? Yes, here rectangle will come. So you have to draw rectangle here and color it with green color. and after rectangle which shape is there? Yes, here circle is there. So here you have to draw circle and color it with yellow color. So in this way we can draw the next shapes to complete the pattern. Blue color square, pink color triangle, then rectangle is there with green color and circle with yellow color. So in this way you complete these two shapes. Draw rectangle and fill the color green and draw one circle and fill the color yellow. Now see the fourth example. See here, triangle, 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 all are triangle, but it is a pattern by changing the colors only. Okay, see this is red color, this is green, again red and then green. Means red and green alternate colors are there. Okay, so red green, again here which triangle will come? Yes, everywhere triangle will come, but only we have to change the color. Which color you will give here? Yes, which color? After green, which color is that? Red. So I'll write here R, you give the color it with red. Then after red, again one more triangle you have to draw and give the color it with green. Now see here, this is a different pattern, but it is also easy. Here everywhere squares are there and color is also same, all are red in color, but this pattern is by changing the number of shapes. Now see, this is vertically. Okay, vertically we will count first. How many squares are there? 1, 2. Vertically 2 squares are there, and if you will count horizontally also 2 squares are there, isn't it? 1, 2, 1, 2. The colors are same only. You have to give or you have to fill the color red only. Okay, to all the boxes. Here 2 squares are there and horizontally also 2 squares are there. Now count here, how many squares are there? Vertically 1, 2, 3. Count horizontally 1, 2, 3. So I'll write here 3. Here 2 squares, here 3 squares. Now see this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertically 4 squares are there. And now count horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4. Horizontally 4 squares are there. See, you should not change the color. Why? Because everywhere red color is there. So you have to give the red color only. But only the thing is you have to increase the number of squares. Here 2 square, here 3 squares, here 4 squares. Then how many squares you have to draw here? Yes, you have to draw 5 squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is vertically. Horizontally also you have to draw 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And color it with red color. Then after 5, how many squares will come here? Exactly. Here 6 squares we should draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Vertically we have drawn. Then we will draw horizontally also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And color it with same color. So in this way, here 2 squares, here 3 squares, 4, 5 and here 6 squares will come. So in this way we can complete the pattern. Now see the next example. The next example is, see here which 2 shapes you can see? Yes, there is one square and inside the square one more shape is there, which is triangle. See, this is a square and inside the square there is a triangle, isn't it? You can see this triangle. Color of the triangle is yellow color triangle is there. Now this is a pattern by turning the triangle. Now see this triangle. Here if we will turn the triangle, it will come in this way and give the same color only, yellow. Okay, first you have to draw square, and inside the square you have to draw triangle, and in this pattern only the thing is you have to turn the triangle. Now see again, if we will turn the triangle, it will come like this. Then again this triangle will come to this side, isn't it? Then the triangle will come downside. Now students, here first draw the square. Okay. Now see these all examples. See this all the squares, and you have to see the triangle also. Now see the triangle. Now here we have to turn the triangle. Now where the triangle will come? Yes, see the triangle is here now. If we will turn the triangle will come to this side. So here you have to give yellow color, and here to the square you have to give it blue color. Then one more time you have to draw first square. Inside the square turn this triangle, then the triangle will come upstairs in this way and color it with yellow color. So in this way you can complete the pattern. The next is there is one more pattern with arrow. Now see the arrows. If you will see the arrow, color is same, but only you have to turn the arrows. Now see this. It is first to the left side, then it is upstairs, then again it is right side, then down side, again left, after left. Yes, I'll write here left. This is up, U means up. This is right side. Again after right, it will come to down side. Okay, left, up, right, down. Again it will come to the left side. Now see here, left, up, right, down. Again left, then where the arrow will come? Yes, after left the arrow is upstairs. So you have to draw the arrow in this way. Okay, up. Then after up, the arrow will come to the right side. In this way you have to draw the arrows and you have to color it also. Okay. Now see the next pattern is, the shape is like little bit plus sign. Okay, it looks like a plus sign and there is one dot is there. Everywhere the plus sign is there, but only we have to change the place of the dot. Here the place is here, then it will come to the this side, then it will come down side. Again the dot will come to the left side, then again it will come to the upstairs, and then now it will come to this side. So I'll draw here, and you have to give the dot here. Then the dot is here now, then in the next pattern the dot will come down. So in this way you can draw the next two shapes. Now see the ninth example. Here dots are there, you can see the dots, and color is same, all dots are red in color. Okay, only the pattern is by changing the number of dots. First we will count how many dots are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here 3 dots are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots are there. Now what is the pattern in this number? 3, 5, 7. See, if we will see the number carefully, we will get our answer. We will get the next number pattern by adding 2. If we will add 2 in 3, see 3 plus 2, we will get the next number 5. Again, if we will add 2 in 5, then we will get 7. To get the next number pattern, what we have to do? We have to add 2 in 7. So 7 plus 2, 9. Means how many dots we have to draw here? 9 exactly. So draw 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this way we can draw dots and color it with red color. Now add 2 more. 9 plus 2, yes, we will get 11. So here we have to draw 11 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in this way we can complete the pattern. What is the pattern? We have to add 2 in the number. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Means by adding 2 in the number, in the previous number, we will get the next number pattern. Now students, turn the page. Now see the next question. The question is, write the next numbers in each number pattern. Now here number pattern is there. See the carefully. We have to complete the next numbers in the given number pattern. Now see this first. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. The numbers are 2, 4, 6. Add 2. If we will add 2, then we will get the next number. See why? Because 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 plus 2, 8 will come, isn't it? Then 8 plus 2, 10. And 10 plus 2, 12. It is a table of 2. If you will see the carefully, we can see table of 2 here. Now see this 2 number. 10, 20, 30. Yes. Now if we will add 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 10, 60. So in this way we can write the next number. Now see this 1, 4, 7, 10. Now in this pattern, what is the rule? If we will add 3 in previous number, then we will get the next number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, do the addition, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Okay. Now the fourth one. 20, 17, 14. Now what is the rule inside this? In this pattern, we have to subtract 3 from the previous number. Now 20 minus 3 if we will do, we will get 17. Now 17 minus 3, 14. Now from 14 you have to subtract 3. 14 minus 3, which number will come? 11. Then 11 minus 3, yes, 8. And 8 minus 3, 5. Okay. Now see, 3, 6, 9, 12. This is a table of 3. Very easy. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Now see the last example. 25, 20, 15. Which rule is there? Yes, we have to subtract 5 from the previous number. So 25 minus 5, 20. 20 minus 5, 15. Now subtract 5 from the 15. 15 minus 5, yes, 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5. Now 5 minus 5, yes, 0 will come. Exactly, correct. So in this way we can complete the next pattern, next 2 number patterns. Now see the last question. Can you write the rules for the number patterns in B above? Already I told you what is the rule inside that. What is the rule? Now see example. Which example? For the first, the rule is add 2. Now in the second, which rule is there? Add 10. So if we will see the third example, which rule is there? Yes, we have to add 3. Means the rule is add 3. In fourth example, the rule is subtract 3, isn't it? 20 minus 3, 17. So there is a rule, subtract 3 or minus 3. Now this is a table of 3. And in the last example, the rule is subtract 5. So in this way, we can write the answer of this last question. So in this way, we have completed our exercise. In the next episode, we are going to see what is meant by tiling. Thank you.